Welcome back to the channel. And before I start, I want to take this opportunity to send out a warning to people who do not take bad news very well. This video might be disturbing to some viewers, so please watch with caution. Over the past few weeks, there has been a serial killer who has been terrorizing the people of Guruve in Zimbabwe. And a day ago, the Zimbabwean government has deployed the Zimbabwean army to help capture this individual who is suspected to be the serial killer. His name is Tafadzwa, who is a 32-year-old Zimbabwean. 12 people, including children, have been murdered in the Guruve area. 8 of the killings are linked to Tafadzwa, who is believed to be working with a group of accomplices. It has been reported that the residents of this whole region are now sleeping in groups to help mitigate this threat, this suspected individual, this suspected group. People are living in fear. People are living in horror. A few days ago, the police released an image of the suspect, but this was immediately rectified as the public claimed it was not the correct image of the person. Zimbabwe media houses have also confirmed that this is not the true image of the suspect. Let us take a look at what they had to say about this whole situation. Mystery behind the Guruve killer. Guruve. There is something mysterious about the suspected Guruve killer, Tafadzwa. Members of the community say the face circulated by the police depicting the suspect isn't correct. Those who grew up with him have confirmed that this is not Tafadzwa. One community member said that real Zwitwa has a scar on his left cheek and is a bit lighter in complexion. This raises the question of why the police released the wrong picture and whether they are searching for the wrong person. Who provided that picture they are circulating? Another issue raised is that Zwitwa has a broken hand, and the reasons behind the injury are not known. How then is he managing to commit such heinous crimes with a broken hand? Zwitwa is reportedly targeting widows' households, and he has a list of over 100 known widows in the community, along with 50 others. Why is he specifically targeting widows? Despite heavy police deployments in the area, including sniffer dogs and drones, Zwitwa continues his killings. The military has also been deployed. Why are they failing to arrest him? So as you can see, this man has a broken hand, according to the reports, and he is targeting only widows and children. I'm suspecting it's because those are the people that maybe he can fight. He can fight the children because he can overpower them. He can fight the widows because he can probably overpower them. And also it is suspecting that he's working with several other individuals. So this will be easier for him, even though he has a broken hand. Now, the Zimbabwean papers have also been reporting about this. Let me read a few of their articles to see what they had to say about this situation. Police and other security service members are still hunting down the Guruve serial killer, Zimbabwe, who has so far killed 12 people in separate incidents in the area since last month. In a bid to accelerate the suspect's capture, police have announced a substantial monetary reward for information leading to Zimbabwe's arrest. In an interview, National Police spokesperson Commissioner Paul Nyati said they were also hunting down for anyone assisting or harboring the suspect. The substantial monetary reward is still standing, and we are also looking for people or relatives who are assisting the suspect. They are reliable for the arrest, he said. I'm not finishing the whole article. I think I'll just put all the links in the description below so that you can go and read. But this is the situation that we have in Zimbabwe. This is the situation that we have as a nation. So if you know anyone who's directly related to this person, anyone who can give us information about this person, you can please help by notifying the authorities. Please help by notifying the police or the army, anyone who you can notify, anyone who you know can help in the capture of this person. As you have heard, they've already killed 12 people, and some of these are children. So these people are heartless. These people do not have a heart. They do not care if you are an adult or if you are a child. They just kill. Why they are killing, we don't know. Is it for rituals? Is it for just fun? Why they are doing that, no one knows. But one thing that we know is we need to stand as a nation. We need to assist the authorities, assist the police, assist the army, so that this person or this group of individuals can be captured and people can live happily. People can live in a safe environment. We will be on the lookout, and we will continue to give you updates as this case progresses, as new developments are coming up. We'll continue giving you all the updates that we will come across and all the evidence. But please, this is a call out, this is a cry out for Zimbabwe. Please, if you know anyone who may lead to the arrest of these people, please help. Not just for the monetary offer that has been offered, but because you're doing a good thing, because you will potentially save a lot of lives. So for more updates, please follow, guys. We will continue giving you the updates. If there is any more progress in this case, we will come and make videos and we'll present to you anything that we will find. Until next time, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Goodbye.